Is your OPPO Clone phone not working properly? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explain the common causes and show you 9 quick fixes, plus one last resort solution to get your phone working again. Part 1. Why is OPPO Clone Phone not working? Weak hardware lags, shutdowns, fake OS, crashes, Google apps, fail, app issues, crash or install fail, network or SIM, poor signal, invalid IMEI, SIM blocked, low storage or RAM, slow, malware, ads, risks. Part 2. How to fix OPPO Clone Phone not working in 9 easy ways. 1. Restart both phones. 2. Update the OPPO Clone Phone app. 3. Clear cache or reinstall the app. 4. Verify the connection method. 5. Disable battery optimization and power saving. 6. Grant all required permissions. 7. Try manual hotspot connection. 8. Check storage space available. 9. Factory reset OPPO. Part 3. The best alternative to clone phone seamlessly without hassle. If your clone phone keeps failing, try alternative transfers, sync via Google, copy files with USB, or use a PC tool like OPPO Transfer for mobile for stable, large data transfers. How to utilize the most desirable OPPO Clone Phone alternative to clone your devices without being interrupted. Download and install the free trial of OPPO Transfer for mobile. Open the program and connect both devices via USB. The software will detect the phones and show all transferable data. Choose the types of data you wish to transfer, and then click the Start Copy button located in the center panel to commence the transfer at once.